Hey guys, welcome back with another training video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you enable and use head tracking in your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS gadget. So simply, guys, if you want to control your iPhone through your head, your eyebrow, your smile, or your mouse, you can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you may check open settings, and here you may see that here is the option of tracking. So you may enable this from here easily. So if this feature is not showing here, then guys you may go back, and first of all, guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update and upgrade your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 26 version. Then guys you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of accessibility. So you may click here, and here you may see that here is the option of head tracking. So you may click here and you may enable this, and now this will be work according to your head motion. So simply you may control your iPhone through your head, or you may also enable this through, like, you may check eye blink or smile or open mouth, raise eyebrow. So you may enable this, and you may control your head tracking from these settings. So you may use these settings, and you may enable this or disable this, or you can use according to your requirement. So by this method you can enable and use head tracking in your iPhone or iPad easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.